Join me as I explore whether stocks or solar is a better investment. Let's see which one will have a better return. In today's world where sustainable energy and financial growth are becoming increasingly intertwined, it is no surprise that many investors are wondering whether to stick to traditional investments like stocks or explore alternative options like solar panels. When it comes to investing, we're all faced with the same dilemma. Where do we put our hard-earned money to maximize our returns and achieve our financial goals? For some, the answer lies in the stock market with its promise of high returns and liquidity. But for others, the idea of investing in something tangible like solar panels holds a certain appeal. The thing is, both options require significant upfront investment, and it's natural to wonder which one will give us the better bang for our buck. I mean, who wouldn't want to make some extra cash while also doing their part for the environment? The problem is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, and what works for one person might not work for another. So how do we make an informed decision? By looking at the trends, the numbers, the pros and cons of each option. That's how. Over the next few minutes, we'll dive into the potential returns, risks, benefits of investing in stocks versus solar panels, and we'll see which one comes out on top. Stocks, on one hand, offer a high potential for growth, especially if you're willing to take on some risk. Historically, the stock market has provided higher returns over the long term compared to other investment options. Plus, with the ease of buying and selling online, it's never been easier to get started. On the flip side, investing in solar panels can provide a steady stream of income, especially if you're generating excess energy and selling it back to the grid. While that's not always the case, it's definitely possible. And let's not forget the environmental benefits. Not only will you be reducing your carbon footprint, but you'll also be eligible for some pretty sweet financial incentives. Of course, there are risks involved with both options. With stocks, there's always the chance of market fluctuations and losing value. And with solar panels, you've got to consider the upfront costs, maintenance, and potential energy output decrease over time. But here's the thing, when you look at the trends, it's clear that solar energy is on the rise. As technology improves and energy storage becomes more efficient, the cost of solar panels is decreasing, making it more accessible to the average investor. But that's not all. When you compare the returns on investment, solar panels start to look pretty attractive. According to recent studies, solar panels can provide returns of up to 10% per year, which is even comparable to or better than some stock market investments. So which one pays off more? Surprisingly, the answer might not be what you think. While stocks can provide higher returns in the short term, solar panels offer a unique combination of financial benefits, environmental advantages, and a steady stream of income that can add up over time. Investing in the stock market is inherently risky due to market fluctuations, and that investment doesn't come with a warranty. Solar panel systems, on the other hand, often come with warranties close to 30 years. In conclusion, investing in stocks versus solar panels is a personal decision that depends on your individual goals and risk tolerance. However, if you're looking for a sustainable investment option that can provide long-term returns and make a positive impact on the environment, solar panels are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. And if you've got experience in either investing in stocks or investing in solar panels, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more information on renewable tech. Thanks.